A monstrous python emerged from the brush, so massive, so heavy, it looked like a creature pulled straight out of prehistoric time. It was coiled protectively around its eggs, silent, waiting, and a single disturbance was enough to awaken the predator inside. At that exact moment, a mother lion and her cub wandered too close. The python's instinct snapped like a trigger. In one lightning-fast strike, it launched forward, slamming the lioness to the ground with a force no one could believe.
The cub wasn't lost, he was desperate. He walked forward, then turned his head again as if saying, "Please come with me."
She's in trouble. Too small.
The cub stayed pressed against her neck, nudging her, crying silently.
She's fading. We don't have 20. I get half your minutes.
We have to distract it. The betting.
And then they saw it. The mother lioness lying weak in the dust, barely breathing.
The team
Head control
acted
first.
immediately. A tranquilizer was prepared. Equipment was set. Time was running out.
Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. 3, 2, pull! Slow and steady on 3. 1, 2, 3.
The cub ran to her instantly, rubbing against her legs, as if his whole world had returned.
Set up the shaded area here, make sure the water's ready. She needs stability.
Look at that coil. Amazing work.
The cub summoned humans to save its mother.
Where every step reveals the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Today, we'll explore how conservation efforts protect these vital landscapes.
This route aligns with the northern corridor.
Yes, and the endpoint is near the water source.